So over here you can see that I got two objects, and if I were to pull this up and pull this down right here, you can see that they are separate. If I were to go around and bring in another shape over here, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this shape right here. I can go around and keep this in over here and then arrange out the layer as you can see. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So let's say I want to make all of these a single object so that I can move them and resize them together as a single object. In that case, I can turn them out into a group. So to do that, you can go around, click and drag around all of the object right here, just like this, and then right click. And then what you can do is you can go around and group this out. The shortcut key for this is Control G in Windows and CMD Z in Mac, as you can see right here. So once you group it out, now this is a single object, as you can see. You can go around and resize it, place it wherever you want right here, and then this is what you have. It works as a single object, as you can see, just like this. So when you control out the opacity and everything, it works as a single object. You can also go around and ungroup this by right-clicking on this particular object right here and by clicking on ungroup, and they are ungrouped again, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, and then you can see that this particular object that I brought is also a group. So I can simply go around and right click and ungroup it, and you can see individual parts over here just like this. So these are also individual parts. In fact, if I were to go around under shapes right here, many of these pre-existing shapes right here are actually already groups. So you can actually go around and then, let's say for example, ungroup it and separate it out, and then you can work around with these individual elements right here separately as well. And you want to group it again, you can select out certain elements right here, group it just like this, it becomes one. You can go around, group it right here, it becomes one right here. And now I can select it out all again and right click and group it out again, and this is what you have. Once I ungroup it, then what happens is that it divides it into subgroup first. So whatever I group first remains as it is, and I can go around and further ungroup it out right here just like this to further break it down over here. And that is how grouping and ungrouping works inside of Vectr. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.